Hi, this is my May sub box from Simply Gilded box. It just arrived this morning. So this is the front of the box, Mayflowers. You can see there's some foil on the box, and the back of the box is gorgeous actually. April showers bring May flowers. And a little bit of foiling on there. It's a heavy box. Oh my lord, the pen is gorgeous. I love it. The pen is the same pattern as the box, and it has the Simply Gilded on here and the little bow on the end, silver hardware. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'll just take everything else out of the box. I just got distracted when the pen fell out. Okay, so this is the usual card that we get, I don't know what you call it, like the menu card, so it says what's in the box. We'll just pop that to the side. And this is the pouch that the washi will be in. It's actually a lot pinker than the pink on the box, as you can see there, or the pink of the pen. I actually really like the pink of the box and the pen, so I'm not so much of a fan of this really, really bright pink. But that's okay, I have so many pouches. Not liking one pouch is not a big deal. So we've got, this is a Jasper bear, and that's a magnet. That's rose gold. So he's cute. I'll put him with my other magnets. And then there's a notepad with the little ladybugs on the side of it. It's a good decent size. Just to give you some idea of size, this is the Hobonichi Weeks and this is the size of the notepad. So it's a good size. And I'll just keep that here because I've got this pocket here. And this pocket would sit perfectly inside this Hobonichi Weeks. And it even is the same cream colour and everything. So that's perfect. This is cute, the journaling card, Believe, silver foil. Lovely soft colour. This is exciting. This is the first time that we've received a B6 size traveller's notebook insert. So we've got honey on the front and sweet, and then on the back just the floral print, and that will fit perfectly. That's B6 sized, so that will fit perfectly in a B6 traveller's notebook, for example. These are nice, the bow seals, really nice soft colours. I love the pink. The pink is super nice. And then stickers. So there's the smaller sticker sheet with all the little junipers on it holding flowers. Cute. And then the larger sticker sheets with the full boxes on them. I'll just set them down there. They have the full boxes, so we've got Believe, we've got Honey Bunny, and we've got the honey, we've got the bees and nice little foiled hearts, and then we've got the heart with Grateful. And cute little decorative items there. And then we've got 3 full boxes down here. So they're the stickers. So that's everything in the kit apart from the washi. So we'll open the pouch. So obviously the pouch is also part of the kit. I do like it that she sends washi in the pouch now instead of in plastic. This pouch actually looks bigger than the usual pouches, and maybe the colour pink will grow on me. I'm not sure. It's just looking at pinks that I like and thinking, well, actually the pink might grow on me. Here's the washi in the kit. So we've got 5 rolls of washi this month. There are 3 15mm washis here and 2 10mm washis. And I'll roll those out in a little bit, but we'll also just quickly look at the 5mm add-on. So if you pay an extra, I think it's $4.75 a month, then you get the 5mm add-on. And this month the add-on are vertical bows, and that's looks like a hollow, or maybe it's just silver with a white bow, and then the pink and the yellow and the sort of grey. This is actually my very first set of vertical bows, so I'm quite excited about these, as I've wanted to order some, but I buy so much I do need to watch my spending. So I haven't ordered any, so it's really nice to get some in the sub box so that I can try those. So what I'll do now is I'll open all the washi and then we'll come back and have a look at it. Here we have the washi from the sub box for May. So hopefully I can catch the light there so you can see the foiling. These are the main washis in the kit with the gorgeous foiling, and then this is the vertical bows, which is the sub box add-on. So this is everything that came in the May subscription box this month with the 5mm add-on. So there's a lot here. Probably not my colour scheme I would choose. I'm really not a fan of yellow, but there's only a few little bits of yellow, so that's all good. And then this is the gorgeous washi that was in the kit. And this bow, I don't think I would ever buy a bow that colour, but it's actually really, really pretty. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing. Catch you next time. Bye.